They try find out other opportunities for him. Ero samoro tich kokethore biro ga gi depression. Pod entiere his mental health state is not okay. But is support nade mondo mi owuoge state ni endi, mondo mi ombo dhi oko mondo dhi omany tich. Kiyudo tich, send it to him. Let him apply. Mjengo. Mana nitiere chuo moko kama wacho gani ano kanya dhi timo tij mjengo. Buildings have been constructed every day. Fanya hiyo. Sama tich okethore, you don't need to choose. Irest matin kapodi grieve. But okone go beni how long a grieve nikech this woman will rise to be the king. To sama woman ose rise to be the king, doke piny kendo dhi bedo matek. Okay, watch empowerment. Okay, watch empowerment.
It's very possible. It's easier for older women to keep younger boys. They not pay them. Kijana ne ukel gimora mara tokanya kana kanyo. Life is good. She's the head. She's the king. But kijana is playing the princess role.
Yeah, because the boy is not being submissive to her, and that is the life I may choose. That is the life the woman has chosen. And that is, I could say that is a woman who doesn't know what marriage really is. Lakini o choose kijana matini niyo kane nikechinje yaka kijana nikoro massage ego mare. This kijana is answering to her. She's not answering to anyone. So, this kijana we have to be submissive. Omie pesa, ote monangoa, kijana niriembo mtoke and every other thing. That is not marriage. That is not marriage. Nuwezi sema everything is going on well. Nothing is going on well. The only thing going on well there is that okano kijana nienda memweka. Iwe njoge ni Ben 10. Kendo gi kano ga Ben 10 simangenyi malij. Kanyo kenga marriage. Wacho ni a woman ma is serious with the term marriage. Who knows what marriage is, will not let a man submit to her. Yes.
Mama, you don't support Ben 10.
I don't support. Why should I even have a Ben 10? I am somebody who really believes in marriage. And I know what marriage is.
So
marriage.
Age does not.
For me.
Age is a number.
No. For me, age does not matter. Lakini kase kano Ben 10. Okani Ben 10 okenda. Akano Ben 10. I'm keeping a Ben 10. Not that a Ben 10 has married me. There are people who, like I'm 40, and I am married to a 30-year-old guy. Tumefanya wedding vizuri, and the marriage is just okay. Sindio? But I am supporting this Ben 10 also to raise up to the standards that I'm actually in. I support him financially, but I'm also teaching him how to fish. That's workable. Lakini makoroni akano Ben 10, I'm financing everything because he's just supporting me, satisfying me sexually. That is not marriage. Toka yero ni ayudo ragging ama age ne tinna. To waye ni wadadak. Aye give values magngani endi saying your family ne I see everything is okay. The only thing that is not working, is not okay in age ne endi. But I see that we can stay. And I also see that I can as well bring myself to a level where I can respect this younger man that I'm dating. Then it can work. Lakini doka mostly marriages ma a woman is older than a guy. Some of them do not work. Nkechintire the age factor ntire ga ewi dako. Okenga with dichwo. In fact, men tend to forget ni enga younger than the woman. Koro gini bedo ga widako. Is younger than me. Is younger than me. Jiwacha ngoa. Is younger than me. Kika uweni enditero katamana. Uweni ukawiti idikana wadalagi. Ngamadi kungu uweni nga. Mother in law. Dako moti ni tikelo na nango. Kori ngeni gikmachal kama comments woga widako. Kori maembe korone no koda bedo beta nikechi. Mama umo kuongo kodware and older than you. Ya wa woda. Ikawa manambas na imikelo naka. Aya, sister-in-laws, belongeni sister-in-loves bende. Wewe umeoa tu mwanamke mkubwa sana. Mwanamke mkubwa nitokire ni mwanamke mkubwa ni support wadi gini mondo myo yudu pesa. Koro gigi madako ko bet mintu achoni. Ma okapari kanyalo work. Let me just use him also to get what I want. Hivi nyokore mbongeni this cannot work because I'm older than him. Though I'm just staying with him.